Let's do a flawless full glam makeup. First, primer. Using this one from Zickel. So we want our makeup to glide on smoothly and last for a long time. Next, foundation. I'm using this one from Juvia's Place. It is very full coverage and an old favorite of mine. I'm almost running out, so I have to squeeze it a lot for it to come out. Juvia's Place, if you're seeing this, sponsor your girl, please. Send me some foundation. Just need very little with this foundation. Blend. It looks light at first, but I promise it's going to blend out perfectly. Foundation done. Next, concealer. I'm using this one that is a bit close to my skin tone to first of all conceal. Let your concealer sit for a minute or two and blend. Use a damp sponge, by the way. We've concealed. Now we're going to highlight here, here. While that is setting, I'm going to apply my cream blush. Now let's blend the concealer. Under eyes blended out perfectly. Now it's time to set. I like to just take my setting powder and press it into my skin directly. I don't bake. We're going to set the rest of our face with a pressed powder. Now it's time to contour and sculpt our face. I'm using this dark shade from this face palette. This is a bronzer and a contour in one because it gives depth and warmth at the same time. So you can see the difference between this side of my face and this side. I did my brows and lashes, and now we're going to do blush. I like to use an orangey or pinky shade blush. This one is from Zickel Cosmetics. Mascara on your lower lashes makes such a huge difference. Like, this is a finished look, full coverage, super glam, and it's going to last all day.